What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today we have a product from Dyplay. They were nice enough to send one of their ANC earbuds. The exact model we have here, Dyplay ANC Shield Pro True Wireless Earbuds. I have the white version here. They also have black version, slightly cheaper, around $89. You can pick up this white version earbuds for around $99, but remember, price does fluctuate. Now I still use my Apple regular AirPods and these AirPods serve me really well. Only thing I was really missing, active noise cancelling. So I asked Dyplay to send me their new ANC Shield Pro earbuds so I can test and share with you guys my thoughts. After opening the box, you will find a Dyplay charging white case and Dyplay ANC Shield Pro white earbuds and 2 sets of ear tips. Comes with 3 silicone orange ear tips, 1 already installed, and 3 foam black ear tips, Type-C cable for charging, and user manual. On the case you will find charging LED indicator and Type-C port for charging the case. Case and earbuds made out of plastic, and the case is slightly bigger than Apple AirPods case. On the AirPods you will find LED indicator, outside noise cancelling mic, speaker, and Dyplay logo. Now these earbuds comes with new Iroha AB155X chip. So you will have stable Bluetooth connection, support MCSync technology so earbuds can work independently, ultra low power, hybrid ANC support, and Bluetooth 5.0. Also these earbuds packed with 9.2mm speaker drivers. Now I've been using these earbuds for almost 3 days now. So far I have no major complaint. If you like bass, then you will fall in love with these earbuds because these earbuds got some bass. Active noise cancelling works good enough, does reduce background noise to around 28 dB, but I personally think music sounds better with ANC off. Left earbuds have 3 mode options. Single tap will change modes: 1 ANC off, 2 ANC on, and 3 transparency mode. Transparency mode lets outside sound in so you can hear and interact with others while you enjoying your favorite music. Tap 2 times on the left earbud will lower the volume, and tap 2 times on right earbud will increase the volume. Tap 1 time on right earbud will pause and play music. Built-in microphone good enough for phone calls. Also these earbuds packed with 50 mAh battery and charging case packed with 360 mAh battery. So you should get around 6 hours of music play time with ANC on and 8 hours with ANC off. With charging case 24 hours ANC on, and with ANC off 32 hours. Charging time is around 2 hours. Dyplay ANC Shield Pro works flawlessly with Android and iOS phones. Just enable Bluetooth on your phone, search and pair, simple as that. Now, how does Dyplay ANC Shield Pro compare to my Apple AirPods? Dyplay AirPods does pack more bass, also slightly louder than my Apple AirPods. But Apple AirPods does have better mids and treble. Difference not all that big, but enough to notice. Now, do I recommend Dyplay ANC Shield Pro earbuds? Yes, I do. I will personally use these earbuds from now on because of the active noise cancelling. Also, these earbuds fits really well in my ear. Just make sure you use the right size ear tips. Now keep in mind, these earbuds are not waterproof, so I don't recommend for workout or gym. Alright guys, that should be it. You will find the product link in the video's description. Don't forget to check out. Stay tuned and see you guys next one. Peace.